What is programming syntax?
Programming syntax is the set of rules that define how code must be written for a computer to understand and execute it correctly. Just like grammar in spoken languages, syntax organizes keywords, symbols, and structure. If you follow the syntax of a programming language, your code will function as intended. Ignoring these rules usually results in errors or unexpected outcomes.
Why syntax matters for beginners?
Learning syntax is a crucial first step for anyone starting to code. Without a solid grasp of the rules, even simple programs won't work. Mastering syntax helps beginners avoid common mistakes and build confidence as they move on to more complex programming concepts, making the learning process smoother and less frustrating.
Common syntax elements in coding.
Most programming languages share some basic syntax elements, such as variables, operators, punctuation, and indentation. Variables store information. Operators perform actions. Punctuation marks, like commas and parentheses, organize instructions, and sometimes indentation is required to structure code. Understanding these elements provides a foundation for reading and writing code in any language.
Syntax errors and debugging.
Syntax errors occur when code doesn't follow the established rules of a language. These errors prevent the program from running and are usually flagged clearly by development tools. Learning to recognize and fix syntax errors is an essential skill, as it helps programmers diagnose problems and improve their code writing habits.
Building strong coding habits.
Practicing good syntax leads to cleaner, more reliable code. Review examples, write code regularly, and consult official documentation to improve your skills. As you gain experience, syntax will become second nature, paving the way for deeper programming knowledge and more advanced projects.